Hi students, problem number 2. A coil of wire of certain radius has 100 turns and a self-inductance of 15 millihenry. The self-inductance of a second coil and a similar coil of 500 turns will be. So two coils are given. The first coil is having 100 turns. The second coil is having 500 turns. Both are similar. So both are similar means here you should understand both are having the same area of cross section, okay, and both are having the same length. So L1 is 15 millihenry. Okay. So here number of turns N1. The first coil is having 100 turns and the number of turns in the second coil is 500. And the self-inductance of the first coil is 15 millihenry. We have to find the self-inductance of the second coil. So for this, the expression for self-inductance L is equal to mu naught into N square into A divided by L. Okay. Suppose if it is a first coil, means it must be L1 and here N1 square. But the area A and length L are same for both the coils. It is constant. So we will leave it. Similarly, what is L2? L2 is equal to mu naught into N2 square into A divided by L. So L1 is directly proportional to N1 square. And L2 is directly proportional to N2 square because mu naught A and L are constants. Okay. So now we know the value of L1, we have to find out the value of L2. So L2 divided by L1 must be equal to N2 square divided by N1 square, or L2 is equal to L1 into N2 by N1 whole square. Is it not? We have to substitute now. Therefore, what is L2 equal to? First we will substitute L1. So L1 is 15 into 10 power minus 3. 15 into 10 power minus 3 Henry. N2 by N1 the whole square. N2 is 500, N1 is 100. So this is 500 divided by 100 the whole square. So this is 5 square. Okay, this is 5 square. So this is equal to 15 into 10 power minus 3 into 5 square. 5 square is what? 25. So now 25 into 15 we have to find out. It is 375. It should be 375 only because 25 into 10 is 250 plus 25 into 5 is what? 125. Therefore this must be what? 375 into 10 power minus 3 Henry. Therefore L2 is now equal to 375 millihenry. So this is the answer we are getting. Now we will check which is the option. Option B is given as 375 millihenry. So this option B, okay. Therefore option B must be the correct answer. Very simple, but many times this type of problems have been repeatedly asked in the NEET and JEE entrance. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.